Monday morning fabrics, yay! They're mostly $14.99 with two exceptions. This is $12.99. You guys, this is the fiber of the year. So we're doing a webcast, and it'll be on leggings and what to wear with them. Anyway, comfort, casual chic comfort. Anyway, so this is what I got in to do the leggings with, and it's beautiful. It's a cotton poly blend, stretches in both directions. It's lovely. It's really, really lovely. Great drape, solid black, not see-through, everything. Anyway, $12.99. So this is a wool. It's a beautiful piece of wool. And both sides you can see are usable. Look at the selvage. That selvage is amazing. I love the selvage. Got to use that selvage. But anyway, 100% wool. Not a lot, just a few pieces. But anyway, this is a whole navy group. The black, I wanted to show you. This is like a Pontoroma. It's really, the drape on this is incredible. It's a cotton poly. Beautiful, beautiful drape. Stretch in one direction. Well, there's a slight stretch in both directions, but so I'd call it a one-way stretch. But very pretty. Slacks, jacket, anything would be beautiful in this. This is a viscose, 100%. Oops, I've got to wrap it around, sorry. Great drape, stretch in both directions. Beautiful navy piece. Just a really beautiful, again, $14.99 is a giveaway on this. Really pretty. This is a cotton blend. It's cotton, mostly cotton. There's got a little bit of poly in it, but you can see, isn't that pretty? Both sides are usable. Great plaid. Beautiful for so many things. Slacks, anything would be really incredible. It's a navy, and then it's got a little bit of salmon and teal in there, and then I picked up the teal with this. This is 100% cotton, and that teal, beautiful blouse. It just really brings out the teal in this. Very pretty. This is a woven, 100% cotton. This is a dual layer. You can kind of peel the two layers apart for a little bit. They're kind of stitched together, kind of like a gauze. But anyway, again, beautiful piece of fabric. Perfect for staying warm because it's a dual layer, but it's cotton, so it's a great fabric year round. It's a great fabric, great color. Again, $14.99 on that is craziness. This one's not $14.99. I think it's $19.99. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's a little bit higher. But so these two exceptions, this is lower than $19.99. This is a little bit higher than $19.99. But the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.